In this video, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to fix the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. Windows installation cannot proceed. So you want to go ahead and press on your Shift plus F10 or Shift FN plus F10. Now once you do that, this should come up. So when you have this up, you want to go ahead and type regedit, just like so, and enter. Now once this comes up, you want to go to your HK local machine, expand it, and go to system and expand it. Now on the system, add to setup and also expand it. Now you want to go to status and expand it. Go to child completion and add to setup.exe and double click. Now change that to 3. Change the value data to 3 and click on OK, just like so, and click OK. And that is how to solve it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, support my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.